there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2022 Ford Transit Custom short wheelbase crew cab. This one comes in a silver and has 24,000 miles on the clock as well. It's just taking you around the vehicle now. This does come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, automatic heated seats, if I didn't mention that already. Radio, and if I pull this down just in the middle, just here we do have two cup holders and a table just there. And if I show you into the back three seats as well, as you can see, we have three more cloth line seats just here, just like matching the front. And if I carry you around all the way to the back, I'll show you the cargo space. That camera just there is for the virtual rear view mirror. And if I just draw your attention to the load area at the back, it is interior lit, ply lined with cargo rings, and there are no dents within the bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van only used it for light loads as well. If you'd like to find out more about this particular van, head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk.